Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you what I purchased during the Sephora savings event. Now I did put another order after this one, but it's not for me. Those are for gifts that are Christmas gifts that I'm giving to some of the people that sometimes watch my channel, so I'm not going to be unboxing those, but I want to show you what I received. I had a couple of gift cards that I have been saving, and that's usually what I try to do. If I receive any gift cards, I save them for whenever they have a sale. But first I want to show you a few sets that are available that I think they're a really good buy, and if it's something that would interest you, it will probably be a good time to get them, or if you want to give them as gifts. I love the Tower 28. This is so good. These are a set of 4 little lip glosses, and these are really nice. It comes in it was $20 with a $32 value. So these are the nice size to keep in your purse, and I think that, look how cute these are. This is just a nice little stocking stuffer, or you know, if you just have someone that you just want to give like a little something for Christmas, these are really nice. I like smaller packaging like this to keep in my purse. Been trying to carry smaller purses. They have another one from Summer Friday. Summer Friday is another one that is really good. I don't remember what the price of this one is, but I will list everything below. But again, these don't come out, they don't have a nice little packaging like Tower 28, but they look like they're around the same size. I do already own some of the Summer Fridays, and I really enjoy it. And these are the sizes, so these are really nice. This is something that you enjoy. What a great time to get them. It's a mini neutral lip butter balm, so really nice. You guys know how I feel about Lawless. I love Lawless, and they have this kit also. I can't remember how much this was, but it brings Rosy Outlook, Melrose, and Bitten. And the reason this one is missing is because I have a couple of the Rosy Outlook, which really doesn't have a color to it. It's more or less like transparent when you put it on, and I included it in the giveaway, the last giveaway that I had, because I wanted someone else to be able to try it. But these are so good. So this is basically what the shades are. So you can see Rosy Outlook is very light, but these are amazing. These don't hurt. They smooth out your lips. I love the nighttime. I tell you guys all the time, the nighttime lip mask is amazing. It's the one that I use 99% of the time, and it has actually made a difference on my lips. I think my lips are more pigmented. They're a little fuller, and I don't feel like the lines on my lips are that bad. But all of these kind of like moisturizing, you know, soothing, nourishing lip glosses are gonna make your lips look juicier and the lines less pronounced. Okay, one of the things that I got, and I get one of these every time they have a sale, is the Sephora Daily Brush Cleaner Spray. I love this. This is so good to clean your brushes. This does an amazing job. I'm going to show you. I just use this brush here on the look that I have, and I have a towel, so I spray it on the brush, and then I just clean it on a towel, and it does an amazing job cleaning it. It also leaves your brush ready to be used. You don't have to wait for it to dry. This is really good. Then what I did with my old bottle is I put my Cinema Secret, which is also an amazing cleaner for your brushes. This one disinfects your brushes, but it's got a stronger scent. So when I use the Cinema Secret, I don't like to use my brushes right away because I can really smell that whatever chemical cleans your brushes. So I'd rather use this one, because this one, I feel it also nourishes your brushes, because it feels like almost like it has like a little bit of an oil in it. It says this is a value size. They have a smaller one. Spray cleanser onto a dry towel or cloth. I spray it right on my brush. Okay. It says not directed onto the brush head, but well, that's what Clara does. If I spray it on a paper towel, it's going to absorb too much of it. So anyway, you follow instructions, don't follow me, but that's how I do it. Gently run brush head over the cloth in circular motions until the surface oil and dirt are removed. Reshape the bristles of the brush and lay it flat to dry. It really doesn't need to dry. This brush is totally dry. And let me do another one, and this is dirty. I'm going to spray my towel, but see, that's going to take a lot of spraying, I think. Maybe not. No, took a couple of, no, maybe I'll do it their way. I cleaned it. I did like 2 sprays on a towel. So anyways, a must. I love it. I get it every sale. So twice, I go through 2 of these a year. So once in a while, not as often as I should, I clean them with dishwashing detergent or another soap that I use to clean my brushes. For a quick cleaning of your brushes, that works really amazing. So this is my box. As you can see, it wasn't a very big one. I think this is one of the smallest hauls I've had from a Sephora savings event. Okay, I love foot mask, and first I was going to get more than one, but I decided not to. This is the Nourishing and Repairing foot mask from Sephora brand, and this is coconut extract. So it's skincare sock infused with formulas, coconut extract. So I got one of those. Then I got a couple of samples. This is a hair mask, and then I got the Prada Reveal foundation sample. I actually had 2 of these, and that's the foundation I'm using today. And I did record this look, so this will be going up if it's not up already. But I don't know how I feel about it yet. So far so good. I think it looks pretty good, but let's see how it wears. I just put it on like an hour ago. So those are my samples. I got this from Danessa Myrex. I thought this was a really, really good buy. This is $35, $75 value, and it's $47.50 Canadian, $101.50 value in Canada also. Okay, I love this formula of the Danessa Myrex. I think that these are such great blushes. And you get 2 new shades in the mini, and then you get 2 full-size ones. So this is a really good buy. And I don't own any of these shades, so I do own a couple of her shades, but not these. This was a good buy. And if you haven't tried this, this is a cream to powder, but it's such a different formula. When you put it on, first you can tell, is it a cream, is it a powder? Very pigmented, so you have to go very easy, but it lasts all day. I think it looks beautiful on the skin. It has an ingredient that is called Oxalate, which is blurring, and it's really pretty. So the shades are Dancing Queen, Spice Latte. Those are the ones that are the bigger ones. And then Jubilee and Red Velvet. Those are the ones that are, I believe, new. I know Red Velvet is new. I'm not sure about Jubilee. But those are the ones that are the smaller ones. So I thought that was a really good deal. I also got this from House Labs. And this is the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze Duo. Guys, me and lipsticks, I have a problem. So this one is a little light. But I think that if I use a darker lip liner with it, that it will look fine over it, because it is a gloss and it's not a lipstick. But I have another one of her lip glosses, and they're so beautiful. They're so nice. I'm sorry, lip glaze. And this one is a little more pigmented. But I just love these. Lately, I haven't been using that many real, like normal, regular lipsticks. I've been using more hydrating products. So okay, then I got the mini Sephora 56, which is such a great brush. I already have a couple of them. I have one, I actually had 2 that once upon a time, if you were Rouge, once a year Sephora would send you a little something. And it would be, I always got brushes. I got 2 of them. I gave one to my daughter. But these are really good for, supposed to be a foundation, but they're really good for cream products. They do a really good job. So the brush head is the same size. It's just a smaller handle, and it's $10 cheaper. So I don't need to pay for a larger handle. I'm fine with the mini. But these are really good brushes. I like them. They're very nice. They do a really great job with cream products. Then from Say, I have a Glossy Bounce Hydrating Lip Oil. And this is in the shade Dream. And oh my gosh, this looks very vibrant. I don't know, but it's a lip oil, so normally they shear out when you put it on. Yeah, this is like nothing scary. It's this one right here. And even if I build it, which lip oils I don't build a lot because I want it to stay in place, but I've heard these are really nice, so we'll see. They don't have any scent. Then my under eyes are so dry. And I remember that once I had this and I went through the entire thing and I liked it, but at that time my eyes didn't feel that dry, so I really just thought it was an extra step. This is the Sephora Organics Non-Radiant Eye Oil. So I got it to use it under my eyes, on my under eyes. And this oil you can actually use even over your makeup and it's not going to mess it up, which I love, right? Because sometimes, here's a mirror, sometimes, like especially towards the end of the day, you know, you just want to refresh your under eye. And I've used a regular face oil that, you know, I just put a little bit on my fingertips and then use it. But this would be nice to carry with me, put it in my purse if I want to refresh my under eye. It doesn't, it's a very gentle oil. It's not going to make you look greasy or remove anything that you have underneath. And I think it's perfect for what I need. So I repurchased this because I know I had it once upon a time and I liked it. Then let's see, I have been wanting this for a long time. I did get the mini because I have so many powders, and even a mini is going to last me a long time. This is the Huda Beauty Baby Bake, and this is in Cherry Blossom. And I've been wanting the Cherry Blossom, the pink one, for a long time. And I just thought, this is so cute. Okay, I can't open, I can't figure it out. But this is plenty. This is going to last me a long time. I don't want to fight with it right now. I also wanted to try the Kosas Cloud Set. I love the regular Kosas Cloud Set, and they came out with a pink powder. And I think that light pink powder looks really pretty under the eye. It brightens it without looking chalky or too bright or too pink. So there, it is a cloud. It's like putting a cloud of powder on your face. It's never heavy. As you can see, it's looks very light, but when you put it on, it doesn't look powdery at all. And they do have some mini sizes, but not the pink one. I'm sure eventually they'll come out with a pink mini size, because that's what I have for my other powders, but not so far. And then this I have been wanting. I wanted the Westman Atelier. This is a set of 3 blushes, and I have a couple of their blushes, all mini, and the contour stick, and I absolutely love it. That is, to me, the best contour stick. It is not too gray. It doesn't make me look muddy or dirty. And they're so creamy, so easy to put on. They blend beautifully. They don't lift your makeup. Wow, this is bright. Woo. Those are the 3 shades. They're beautiful. So I can't wait to play with these. They look so pretty. Let me see, maybe I can blend all 3 with my blush and put some on. Oh boy. I'm living dangerously, am I not? Yep, there you go. This is mixing all 3 shades from the back of my hand. So anyway, this is it. This is everything that I got on my Sephora haul. So I didn't do that bad. I didn't do that big of a damage. I'm still trying to decide, since the Prada foundation was released, something that I've been interested in getting, but I haven't been able to try it before because none of the Sephora's by me carry Prada in the actual store, and I didn't want to invest in a pricey foundation like that without knowing if I would like it or not, or even what shade to pick. I don't know, even looking at the swatches online, I was having a hard time picking. I wouldn't have picked this color that I have on, and this is a medium, and I would have gone for a light, and I think this color looks fine on me. I don't think it looks too light, or it doesn't look too dark, and it doesn't look like it oxidized, because I would have done it already. So anyways, I will go ahead and link everything that I got in my in the information box below. I also put a post up on my community tab if you guys are interested in some of the products that I absolutely love. and I would recommend from Sephora. I listed it on there. I really didn't do a recommendation video because there's 1,000 other videos out there telling you what's good and what isn't. So you didn't need one more. I figured if it's something you're interested, you can look at my community tab and see what some of the things that I love. These are some of the things that I wanted to try. I already know I love this Westman Atelier formula, so I wanted to get this set. And I know that I love these, so I wanted to try that. And I just, you know, these sets are such a great deal. And even if it's not for you, if you're looking for something for a gift for someone, this is the best buy, I think, in my opinion. This is absolutely the best buy that you can get. I don't know how that's almost the price of just one of the foundation, one of the blushes. Let me see what the price is for one of the blushes. Okay, one blush alone is $35. I'm sorry, $25. So you get the whole kit for $35, for $10 more. You get 4, because even the mini ones, okay, those are going to last me a long time. These go a long way. You don't need a lot. So I really think that that is a really good deal. I don't think Danessa Myricks is that pricey. I really do think that she keeps her products at a decent price, except for her bigger eyeshadow palettes. Those are pretty pricey. Like the new one she has now is like $125, which it's beautiful, but it's too much for me. It's a lot of glitter, a lot of shimmer, and I'm really not getting that much into that anymore. I'm staying more with just the OG shimmers. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know, did you shop? Did you get anything? Are you planning on shopping? It ends on the 11th, so pretty soon. And it's kind of nice when it ends because then you're not tempted anymore. But I'm not really tempted about anything else except for that Prada foundation. That one I'm still, but I have so many good foundations right now. I don't need another one. And there'll be another sale in 6 months. All right, you guys, I love you. Have an amazing day, night, whenever it is you're watching this. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.